Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing a mystery box from the Witch's Box. This is my second one of these. I had to cancel my subscription with them, and so it's really nice to be able to get some of the stuff from their recent boxes. Let's see. These are usually packed to the gills with goodies. It's really, oh, I ruined it. Damn it. It's really, really heavy, by the way. Okay. Glastonbury well water. Okay, I think these are just the Sacred Bell. These are Book of Shadow pages from recent boxes. A Witch's Broom. I think there might be information about different altar tools. Water portal ritual. Page 1 and page 2. Page 3. Then we have an earth portal ritual. Page 1. Page 2. Then we have an inner revealing tarot spread. I love these. She does these every Sunday on her channel. And then we've got the earth portal, page 3. Okay, some Book of Shadow pages. Oh, scrying mirror. Cute. Very cool. Catnip. I don't have very much catnip in my collection. Ooh. Red Alea salt. So, sea salt mixed with iron oxide rich volcanic clay in Hawaii. Cool. Oh, I got one of these. So this one's definitely going to be in one of my future giveaway boxes. Because I remember getting this. It was in my last box that I got from her. It's a beautiful leather-bound journal with like little segments. Very, very cool. Liked it a lot. I still have it. Now I have 2, and so I have 1 to share. So you'll probably see that in a future giveaway. I'm going to wrap it up to keep it nice and pretty. Alright. This is it's a little tiny easel. So that's kind of cool. Ooh, so heavy. Oh. This is like, what? I don't even know what this is. It's hard. It's like in a little cup. This is the thing from the Futhark runes, which I already have, but that's okay. The excess stuff can be put into my future giveaways. Ooh, here's a heavy item. Ouch. Yeah, pick it up with that hand. Oh. Let's see what we got here. Ooh. I gotta cut this tape. Ooh. It's a rock. Salt rock. Himalayan salt rock. And I have another one of these that I put my candles in it. Now I have a matching set. Yay! So that's really nice. Oh! God, I'm awkward today. Ooh. Honoring Hecate dress candles. Cool. Ooh. Salt pure, salt clean. Protect this space and blessings bring. Oh, that's really cool. I like that. That will go good on the ofrenda because traditionally you should have salt and I don't have it up there right now. Trance Journey Incense. I believe I have this, but I will check. And this is a white veil, which I know I have. A witch's ladder. I have one of these too. Oh, I mean from the last box. All right, let's see what we got here. A bookmark that says pleasure, or it's a sticker. Nice. And then this is a sigil sticker. This one says creativity. This is from the the mystical shaman. It's the staff. Ooh, this one's really creepy. So Knight of Swords, and this guy looks like it's not going well for him. So there's that. I got a big old beautiful candle. I got some little, looks like rose quartz and a tourmaline. Okay, let's cut this open. Ooh, sticking to everything. This is the Reawaken Energy Mist Spray. Let's smell it. Ooh, it smells really spicy. Yum. Like a cinnamon. Ooh, the magic of food. Oh, the turkeys, you can hear them. A book, a teaspoon, a stone of some sort. Oh, this cute little fork. Oh, let me see. I can't even read what this says. We shall see. Oh, a big beautiful mortar and pestle. Mocajete. This one's really pretty. Look at that. This is really beautiful. There's the pestle. Wow. Very cool. So that was pretty substantial amount of stuff. Oh, sorry. Tilt this. There we go. Pretty substantial amount of stuff. A good portion, I would say about half. A little more than half that I did not have. So I didn't have this book, this, I've never gotten catnip from her, the spray, the easel. I'm not sure what these stones are. I think they're tourmaline. I don't even know what this is. I don't know. Let me see if I could try to open it. I've gotten some duplicates of items, and you'll probably be seeing them as... It's chalk. It's chalk. Cool. Okay. Interesting. I love this little dish. I love books. Absolutely love books. Her Her incenses are really, really cool. If you, as long as I don't have this one. And I'm really pleased with this. But a couple things are going to be in giveaway, so stay tuned for that. All in all, very nice, very heavy box, but I think it was heavy because of this. And this is a really, really nice mortar and pestle. I actually have a lot of those. But I think I'm keeping this one because this one's by far the largest, I believe. So I'm really excited about that. Anyways, here we are. This is the mystery box from the Witch's Box. Get on their waiting list now. She's going to have another one in October. She's going to try and do every 6 months. But the first time I got her mystery box, it sold out within 45 minutes. And this one, I was on the wait list, so I got an email. And apparently it sold out within 28 minutes of going on sale. So these are hot to get items. So get on the wait list so you can be notified if you're interested in getting this box. It is really expensive, but as you can see, it has a lot of items. Ooh. And now I have to take care of the pups and my kid and settle down after a long day. If you want the winners of the giveaway, please go check out the live that I put up yesterday. We had a little adventure in the forest here in the Pacific Northwest. So it's a little bit of that story plus the winners. I love you guys. Thank you so much for all your support. Have a wonderful day. As always, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.